In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer ownership in Discord server. Log into your Discord server, click on the name of the server and navigate to this server settings and then go down to user management and click on this members section. Then you'll see the members of that server. Here you can see I am the owner of this server and I want to pass my ownership to this member. Click on these three dots here and select this option, transfer ownership, and this pop-up will appear on your screen. After this, you have to check this box here and click on this transfer ownership. If you have enabled two-step verification, you're gonna need to put your OTP or authentication code here after this step and click on this ownership button and you done. Your ownership will transfer to that person. So this is how you can transfer ownership in Discord server.